Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Avinash and in this video I'm going to show you how to add background music or sounds effect in your video using Canva. You can use that video in any kind of platform if you want to use it on YouTube or you want to use it on Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels. You can do that both things. So for that, we need to go to the website first from our browser. And if you using a mobile phone, then you can also download the application from the App Store or from the Play Store. So starting off, once you are in the website, you need to click create a design first, then add photo. Click here, add photo. Now you have to choose the video file that you want to add music for. So I will choose this design. I will choose this video. Sorry. Now once it's done, you have to click edit video. Now in the next tab, you can see my video is getting ready for edit. Now here are multiple options you will get, but you just need to upload the audio file, or you can just choose the audio file from the Canva itself. You can see my video is here. Now I need to upload a video. You can upload file any if you have the audio, you just click audio files, upload files, then you can upload it, or you can simply go to the audio section in the Canva and you can listen to any of them. Some of them are not free, you have to purchase them, and many of them are free. You can use the free one also. So once you choose, like I just want to add this song, let's suppose this song, then drag this to here like this, and make sure to low down the volume, because if you don't low down the volume, then your background music will be very loud. People will not able to understand your voice if you make the volume in full. So make sure to maintain this volume as you like. So once you done that, once you adjust the volume, click here. In this video, I'm going to add, now listen, my voice and my background music both are compared with each other. Now they are running together. So you just listen background music or sound so that you can understand how it works after adding the sound effect in any video. So as you can see, my voice is now playing on background and music is also playing on background. Both things are together. Now you understood how it's done. Once you've done that, it's very easy. You just simply need to click download, and now you can see file type already selected, MP4 video. You can download this. Now it's preparing to be downloaded. So you just have to wait for some time. It's depending on your file size. You can edit any video in this in you can edit any video, or if you want to add any audio file, you can simply go and upload the audio file, or you can use Canva audio files. They have already lots of music available in their storage. You can use them, and I will suggest you, if you are using any YouTube video, then you can do one thing. You can purchase any of the music from the Canva if you want, or you can use the free one also. But free ones, there are some few problems with that. If someone just go and strike an issue in your video about the music they own, then that time it's a problem. So I will suggest you to upload your own video or upload your own audio file if you have. And if you don't have your own video or audio file, then you can purchase one of them from the Canva store. It's very easy. But for Facebook Reels, for Instagram Reels, you can use any of the audio file from the Canva. And if you have your own audio, then it's not a problem. It's good to go. So see, my MP4 video is almost getting ready, and it's now will ask me for the download location. I will download this as I am in desktop. Rename this anything. Download this. You can see now. You see my video is downloaded. So in the same manner, you can do it any video you want, any reels if you want to edit with music background, you can do it. So now as you know the trick, you can do it by yourself by going to the website. And if you have any question related to this, you can ask me in the comment section and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. And I will see you in my next video very soon. Meanwhile, thank you for watching.